Good morning, students. Continuation of chapter The Animal Kingdom. In previous class, we discussed about domestic animals, wild animals, and today we will discuss some exercises of this chapter. Let's proceed ahead. Let's see first exercise. Look at the given pictures and classify them as wild and domestic animals. Students, in this exercise, you are given some pictures of domestic and wild animals. You have to identify the wild animal's name and domestic animal's name, and you have to mention in given column. You will write the name of dog, goat, cow, camel and horse in domestic animals column, and tiger, zebra, rhinoceros, elephant and giraffe will write wild animals column. Here I have already mentioned according to this you will write. Now come in second exercise. Find the names of 7 birds from the given crossword. Students, in this crossword you are given 7 birds name. You have to find, for example, duck, is circled. After that, parrot, kite, hen, cock, swan, all are given. You have to circle. Now come in exercise 3, that is circle the right answers. Students, in this exercise you are given 2 options. One option is correct and second one is incorrect. You have to find correct one and have to circle. Let's see first number. Cat or crow can fly in the air. What will correct answer? Cat or crow? Crow. Crow can fly in the air. Now come in second number. Dog or sheep guards our horse. Who guards our horse? Dog or sheep? Correct answer is dog. Dog guards our horse. Now come in third number. Duck or hen swims in water. What will correct answer? Duck. Duck swims in water. Now come in fourth number. Mouse or lion is a big animal. What will correct? Lion. Lion is a big animal. Now come in last number. Parrot or peacock has a red beak. What will correct? Parrot. Parrot has a red beak. Now come in fourth exercise, that is match the following. Students, in this exercise you are given 2 columns and you have to match with correct one. Let's see first number, cow, and suitable match is a domestic animal. Cow is a domestic animal. Now come in second number, peacock, and suitable match is dances in the rain. Peacock dances in the rain. Now come in third number, owl, and suitable match is doesn't sleep at night. Owl does not sleep at night. Now come in fourth number, giraffe, and correct answer is has a long neck. Giraffe has a long neck. Now coming last number, monkey, and suitable match is leaves or tree. And in this way you have to match with suitable one. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.